Hi guys, Alex Peak Performance Reviews. We're now in the Lexus RCF. Obviously quite a beast, big powerful rear wheel drive car. I'll give you obviously all the tech specs in the bio and probably get them on the screen for you as well. About to go out, popped in into sports mode and another auto that we're in. So yeah, let's go out and see what it's like. We like that, really handy considering it's a big car. Rear visibility is actually not that bad anyway, to be honest with you, but yeah, nice little feature, we like that. Right, firstly let's have a little listen to this. That is angry, like that, we like that, that's superb. So I've got it in a Sports Plus mode. Got it kind of effectively in manual mode as well, which is great, so we should be able to have a bit of fun. Straight away, steering feel or weight is relatively light, but not too light. It's quite nice. Again, when you've got that kind of weight, when you're not going very fast, normally it'll feel a lot more weighty at higher speed. Let's just drop it down a gear and yes, that is nice, that is good, we like that. But we do need to do one thing, which I noticed it was lighting up like a Christmas tree. That's the traction control. So let's turn the traction control off. I know that the manufacturers probably won't like that, but you got to really, if you want to know how the chassis is, how it gets on, let's turn that traction control off really. Gnarly, I like it. One thing that you will notice, and you'll probably see from the videos on the outside and from the pictures, you'll probably see that the brakes are huge on this thing, and too right, and all they should be, because this car is big. It doesn't feel big, but it is. It really doesn't feel big at all, but it feels incredibly sprightly. I think because the big V8 motor, it's got so much low down torque that it feels very torquey and very responsive, and it has a really good power band. You can really, grip is great. Love the sound of that motor. That is revy beastie V8. It's not like an old labouring V8. It's a really torquey. Well, I mean, all the torquey, but it's a really revy V8, which is what I like. Flip down in a second. Let's give it a little push around the corner. Grip is great. We like that. It's got a good chassis. Braking's absolutely superb. Steering is actually stayed quite light. It's actually not gone too, not that much more weighty, but turning great. Really good. We like that. Grip is very good. And yeah, this auto box is really quite nice as well, to be honest with you. But its balance is really nice. Very angry soundtrack to it, this car, which I love. It's just such an aggressive sound. Lots of space as well. Nice big boot. Lovely figure hugging bucket seats, leather bucket seats. Interior is very high quality, very well stitched and put together as you'd expect from a Lexus, but the sound and the way it goes is what wins you over more than anything. So so wide again on this car. You can keep it in second. Let's see how light it feels over this crest. Not very good. Takes it very well. Give it a little push. Brakes absolutely superb. Very good. It's a great car. It really is. It's a big, you know, it's a big car, but it definitely gives you some. It definitely gives you some confidence, not just in the braking, but in the chassis. It's a really well sorted, very good chassis. So guys, we're just heading back now in the Lexus RCF, and yeah, really impressed. It's a big car, but it really does look after you. It's got a really compliant chassis, really balanced chassis. You can push it, it looks after you at all times. Nice steering feedback. The auto gearbox on this is really nice. Blipping on downshifts and upshifts. Really looks after you, and it's a lot of fun for a big, comfortable cruising type car. Really good fun, and yeah, big thumbs up from me. Really like it. Lexus have done a really fine job with what is a really impressive super saloon. It's a great kind of mile muncher that you definitely can have a lot of fun in. It is an absolutely superb little car. Really broad, lovely rev range, really good power band, and bags and bags of fun for a big old heavy thing that you would expect it to be. But it just doesn't feel like that. It feels very sure-footed. It feels lighter than what it is. It feels smaller than what it is. But if you look on the outside, you know, dimensions, and you look at it, it's not. But it's absolutely superb. As always, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, as always. And we'll speak to you again soon. Take care and goodbye.